Preparing the robot coupe by first unlatching the machine. If this is unlatched, the machine should not turn on and you should be safe in this general area. Open the cover, also known as the lead. You always want the black plate laid down at the bottom. This plate is called the ejector or discharge plate. This plate catches the food, so it doesn't fly everywhere. The dicer option comes with two attachments, the dicer grid and the slicing disc. Once removed from the box, line the dicer grid to the motor shaft. You may need to rotate the grid until it falls into place. If you are having trouble, be sure that the ledge is clean and free of product. Add the corresponding slicing disc and place it on the motor shaft. You might need to rotate again for the disc to slide into place. Now you can close the lid and relatch the safety. Open the chute. You may place the metal divider on the inside or outside. We prefer to place it on the inside as it holds the produce in place. This helps to keep the produce from flying around the feeder, which helps us get more even cuts. Be sure that you prepped your produce accordingly by washing, cutting or peeling if need be. Place your produce into the chute and slide the chute lid back on top. When the machine starts, the lead will automatically press down on the produce, which will then be cut by the disc. To start the machine, hit the green button and the machine will automatically dice the produce. Hit the red button to stop the machine. You can feed the machine one product at a time by opening this mini chute on top. Always be sure to add the round pusher back on top and lock it for safety. Locking it in place will make sure that this piece doesn't fly out as you open and close the main chute. To remove the plates, open the chute. Gently twist the top slicing plate until it comes off. Then pull the dicing grid off. Handle all plates with extreme care, as they are very sharp. Be sure to check under the ejector plate for extra cut produce that did not make it into your bucket. Always slide the ejector plate back into the right position by rotating it until it falls into place. We use the slicer option for a lot of the produce here at Variety. This is the box this option comes from. The product number is 28065W. Once removed from its box, place the slicing disc on the motor shaft. Be sure that the ejector plate is in its proper place before adding the slicing disc. You may need to rotate the disc until it falls into place. Close the lead and relatch the safety. Now you can open the main chute. Place the properly prepared produce into the chute and close the chute. Hit the green button to start the machine. Hit the red button to stop the machine. As always, handle the discs with care as they are very sharp. Using the julienne option on the robot coupe. The julienne disc's product number is 28053W. Always be sure that the ejector plate is in its proper place before adding the disc. Place the julienne disc on the motor shaft. You may need to rotate the disc until it falls into place. Close the lead and relatch the safety. Open the chute. For the julienne option, it's best to place the product lying down horizontally. This helps to cut the pieces correctly. Close the chute and hit the green button to start the machine. Press the red button to stop the machine. Breaking down the robot coupe is simple and easy. First, always unplug the machine. Unlatch the safety and remove the round pusher attachment for the mini chute. Remove the pin in the back by sliding it out. This will then allow you to pick up the entire top part of the machine. The top part can be hand washed or placed in the dishwasher. Remove the used disc and ejector plate. The bottom part of the machine is called the motor base. The motor base must be hand washed only. This is because of all of the wires inside of the machine. Use a long bristle to clean inside the motor shaft. And that is how you clean up the robot coupe. Thank you for watching.